Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Windows 10 PC setting, and today video title is guys mobile hotspot guys, how to on in Windows 10 PC. Friends, you want to on guys mobile hotspot in Windows 10 PC, so how to on it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys one by one guys, and step by step guys we will talk about guys how to on mobile hotspot in Windows 10 PC. First guys, left side guys, click on start button guys, we will click here setting, we will on it. So guys, you can see this type of setting. So guys, here is guys your hotspot setting guys. First guys, system setting, device setting, this phone, and guys last guys you can see the fourth one is network and internet guys, we will click here. So friends, you want to connect guys any Wi-Fi network, so friends you can connect guys. Save network guys you want to check, so you can check from here. Friends, you can see status setting, and guys this VPN setting guys you want to on and off, you can on and off from here. Aeroplane mode friends, you want to on your Windows 10 PC aeroplane mode setting, you can on and you can off from here. So friends, you can see that this second last mobile hotspot. So friends, you can see guys mobile hotspot guys you want to on. So in my mobile this hotspot is off in my Windows 10 PC, so guys I can on from here. So friends, because guys I don't have any internet, so that's why this not on. So friends, you want to on, so guys you can on guys your mobile hotspot from here, and friends you can just share my internet connection with other device. Friends, you want to share guys your internet connection to any another device, so guys you can share from here guys. So like that guys we can on, and guys you can use guys your mobile hotspot setting in your Windows 10 PC guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching that. And friend, direct guys shortly setting guys on guys this setting guys, you don't know where is hotspot setting, so guys click search here guys mobile hotspot. Friends, you can see mobile hotspot setting, we can on and we can use from here guys. Second last mobile hotspot setting we can use from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on mobile hotspot and how to off mobile hotspot in Windows 10 PC. So bye guys.